I'm Hamish, but a lot of people like to call me 25 Bacteria. Okay, now River Soldier, now River Diners. Let's get started. So I don't want to waste some time. You FaceTime, make sure you subscribe right here, okay? Right here. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So now they say this city ice in beverage store. Oh, so there's a store where they store ice and beverage, like beer, wine, and soft drinks. Sells a complete line of beer. Oh, this is a complete line of beer, wine, and soft drink products. Products means wine, beer, soft drink. Below are quantities, means like, okay, for beer, okay, each beer probably costs 19 rand. But how many of them this guy buy? 60,000. Okay, 2008. But at 2010, we see the price kind of change. It went to 21.5 for one beer. But how many beer did the guy drink? He drink less, maybe. Not a problem. Same here, wine 2008. It costs 22, but how much? 30,000. And same here, 2000, etc., etc. Just like how we see soft drink is more cheaper. And so he bought a lot of soft drink. But 2010, the price kind of increased. So now they want us to solve this question. You know what I'm saying? By using what? The paarsche price index. And also you have to use Laspeyres price index. So they give you this formula most of the time, but if they don't, then you can memorize. You know what I'm saying? So now, if you look at the formula, we need to have PN, QN. But what is PN? Now, let's go. P naught, Q naught. P naught means that this year, because we got 2 years here. There's a change of the price and quantity from 2008 to 2010. Okay? So this price, when initial started, this is going to call P naught. Oh, so for beer, this is P naught. You know what I'm saying? So the quantity here that you're going to start with is going to be Q naught. So this is like a Q naught here. I'm going to write Q naught. I think you understand. So let's say this is Q naught. Let me write here. Okay, this is Q naught. Excuse me. Sorry. So this is like Q naught. Okay, so this Q0. Q naught means Q0. So here means things start to change. So since things start to change, so this is going to be QN, PN because of price. PN, and this is going to be QN 2010. So now they want us to use this formula paarsche now. So what do we need? PN means PN is like 2010 means increase, and for price, and this quantity N means quantity of. So then what? P naught means here, so etc., etc. So we got beer, whatever you have. So now the question is gonna come like, oh, so which one now I'm gonna take for Q naught to for what? So we're gonna have to use the formula to involve all of them. Okay. So we know this one is 10 for summation. So now let's come here. Now we're gonna sum. So I wanna come here to formula. Let me find excuse me, so let me start phase okay. Okay, let me find this. Let's start with the partial print. So let's find PN Q naught. PN Q naught. Okay. So let's find PN. P0 is, let's get this one because this formula I want to calculate the phase. P naught Q naught. Or in other way, this one say P naught QN. Excuse me. Let's start with that. We can even start at the one on top, but let's start with this. So this let me say, what is P naught? P naught is like 2018. And then quantity 2010. Now let's get those, okay? So what is the excuse me, now we go now. Also here, PN QN means, because I want to break down this. PN QN, what is PN? Is it PN? QN is, let me say, P 2018 and quantity. Oh, I'm sorry. PN QN means, what is PN? PN means price of 2010. 2010. What I can say here? Let me write here. Excuse me. PN QN. So let me say price. N means 2010 and quantity 2010. Okay, now so we can calculate this formula here for the top. Now let's come here for the second one. PNQ0. Or let's have the one of the yeah, PNQ0 means PNQ0. So it doesn't matter, I can either start with either one. So for this one here, for this formula, because this one is like we have all of them, PNQN, we can get here, PNQN, all the information, whatever. So now we come for the second one. The second formula for Laspeyres price means you have a PNQ0. So here I'm going to say PNQ0. And this I'm going to say, what is N? N is like price of 2010, because that's like increase in. So we say price of 2010, another way, price of 2010, and then we multiply. This is like a multiplication here. You can say multiplication, you can say multiplication. Okay, Q0 means quantity. 2008, excuse me, my apology. Now we go for the last one. If I want to use the formulas, I have to get this P0, Q0. What is P0? Price, not Q0, which let me say P, price of 2018, times quantity of 2008. Okay, now let's work it out now. Cool. So now if we started for beer, because we got different type of price. For beer, we have a P0. What is a P0 for beer? For beer is 19. So say 19 times quantity N times 5,000. Oh, so 19 times 5,000. So 19 times 5,000. 1, 2, 3. And this is going to give us 95000. 95000. 95123. So that's it for what? For beer. Now let's go for wine. For wine, also P0 Q. So say P0 means price 0 times QN. QN of the beer is 5,000. So 32 times 5,000. And this is going to give us 32 times 5,000. It's going to give us 1640. 1640. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go for the last one. For the last one, soft drink, P0 means 6 times QN. What is a QN? So 6 times, so 6 times 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. And this is going to give us 6, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now let's go for the second one. PNQN. Okay, let's start for beer. PNQN for beer. What is price N? Price N, this. Times QN, because PNQN. So 21.5 times 5,000. And this is going to give us 10,07,500. 10,07,500. Okay, cool. Drink some water, excuse me. Okay. Now we go. PNQ0. What is a PN? For beer. For beer, PN means this price here. 21.15 times Q0. Q0 means quantity 0 times 3,000. And this is gonna give us, excuse me, times 5,000. And this is gonna give us PNQ0. I think I'm gonna say this 2150 times. 2150 times. Okay, times Q0. What is a Q0? Quantity not equals 6,000. I'm wrong. For BA, yeah, 6,000. Excuse me. It's 6,000. 6,000. Because PN price N 2150 times quantity 0. 106,000. Okay, cool. We got it. So when you plug in calculator, that's going to give us 129,000. 129,123. Now let's go for the last one. So for the last one means P0. What is a P0? For beer right now, or a beer, you know what I'm saying? So P0, what is a P0? Price 0? 19. Okay, times quantity 0. Quantity 0 means 2150. 2150. 19 times. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Q0, quantity 0. What is a quantity 0? for beer, quantity note. P note, price note for beer 19 and quantity note 6,000. Okay, we got 6,000. I'm wrong here. 6,000. 6,000. And this is gonna give us 114,000. 114,123. Now let's go now. Quick. Now for wine, okay. Now for wine, PNQN. PNQN means 35 times 5,000. 35 times 5,000. And this is going to give us 105. 105. Okay, now for wine, okay, wine, PN, for wine, PN, plus N, 35. PN, Q note, 35 times quantity note, 3,000. Okay. Okay, and these 35, it's going to be, okay, 35, 30,000, and it's going to give us 1005, 1005, 10, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we count P note, Q note. For B, P note. What is P note? P note, price note equal to 32. For wine, 32 times quantity not. Quantity not for, that's going to be 3,000. Okay, so now let's plug in the calculator. 32 times 3,000. 96,000. Okay, now let's go for the last one. So for the last one, cold drink. For cold drink, now we go PNQN. PNQN. What is a PN? Times QN. Okay, so 75 times 11123. Okay, so this is gonna be 82,500. 82,500. Now let's go for the second last. Now PNQN for soft drink. PN 7.5 times PN Q naught. Q naught. PN Q naught. Q naught for the soft drink 9,000. It's a calculator and plug it quick. 67,500. 67,500. 67. Okay, now we go for the last one. For the last one, it's going to be P naught Q naught. P naught Q naught means 6 times 9,000. And this is going to give us 54, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have all the data. Now let's go and substitute and solve the equation. Easy, man. So now we can get a price also. Before we get price means we need to get sum of this because we got this, but we need to get summation. Or you can say total here, total. Okay, so now we're gonna add all of this here. Means the summation now means if I sum this for the P naught means I have to get the sum of this and sum of this. So for this one means if I add all of this means it's gonna be sum for beer, sum for wine, sum of this. So the summation of all of them is gonna give it the summation of P naught Q naught. So summation of P naught or P naught QN. What is P naught QN? 32, 1,000. 32, 1, 2, 3. Now we go for the next one. So now from there, okay, P naught, okay, we got this, so we got PNQN. Sum of PNQN, sum PN means this for beer, wine, soft drink together. And the calculator, this is going to give you, it's going to give you 365, 000. 365, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we say sum. So sum of PN Q0. It's PN Q0. Choose my handwriting. Summation. PNQ0. So PNQ0, if you add all them, it's going to give you 300, 1,500. 301, and then 500. Okay, the last one, sum of all these PN0. Okay, so it's sum. Okay, add all these. So how do you get this number? Means people ask me like, how do I get this? This I get by taking this plus this plus this, and that's going to give me the sum of this. Same here. This plus this plus this together is going to give me this. Same here. This plus this plus this. Get that. So now we go for the last one. Means sum of all this. Means sum these, and that. So finally, it's going to give us 264 000. Okay, which is going to give us 264. 264. Okay, 264 000. Cool. So we got all the data. So what we're gonna do, we can just substitute PNQN. We have this one over that, and then multiply by 100. Know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I don't need this anymore, so I can just make a space over here. Know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Now let's go now. Let's start with the first one. The paarsche price index. The paarsche price index. Paarsche. I hope I'm pronounced correct. You can correct me if I kind of mispronounce it, no? Paarsche. Price index. So we can get it now. Sum of all these PNQN. Sum PNQN, you got 365,000. 365,000. Over P0 Q0 sum. P0 Q0. 3 to 1,000. So multiply by 100. And these going to give us okay. 113.71. So now we go for the second one, which is Laspeyres price index. Okay. So now for the Laspeyres, Look, man, you can laugh as much as you want. You know what I'm saying? I really don't care. So now we say this is equal to, okay, PNQ0 we got, 301,000. 300. Okay, now we go P0 Q0. P0 is 26,4,000. And then multiply 100. And this is going to give us, plug in the calculator, it's going to give you 114.20. 114.20. So this is how you calculate the paarsche price index and Laspeyres price index. Look, man, you FaceTime my channel. Make sure you subscribe here, share, like the video. Thanks a lot. Peace and love. I'm out. Thank you.